Hi guys, in this video I will unbox this soldering station that I ordered from Banggood, and it is model 967. So I believe it is a successor to 936 and 937. If you order, you will also get this travel adapter. This is for Europe. So let's get inside this box. So we have here some Chinese manual. So you can see a brand is Yotec 967. Okay, more papers. So also, I didn't said I will compare this model to a previous model, so to a model 936 that I also have. When I'm finished with this unboxing. So as you can see, it is a Yotec 907. It is a soldering iron that you get with most of these Chinese clones. So I believe it is the same as with the previous models of this soldering station. So here we have here some Chinese newspaper, and inside this is a thing where you place your soldering iron, and you can see this one. So okay, on first, this plastic looks like it is a little worse quality than previous model. This molding isn't the best. There are rough edges all around. I believe the previous model had a more quality stand, and it is a fairly light station. So in here we have, I believe this is an Australian, I'm not entirely sure, and it is a very light compared to the model 936 that I have. So here it is, Yotec 967. So you have a digital screen that shows you temperature for adjusting, and you can see here it says min and here it says man. So clearly typo, and you can power it on from the front. Let me get my 936 model to compare it with this one. So here you can see differences. You can see that this model doesn't have a screen, and you can power it on the side. And I must tell you that this one is much heavier. So they are fairly similar, but this one feels like a bit more premium and more well made than this one. This feels very cheap. I'm not sure it is that only because this one is heavier, but that's the feeling I get from holding them. And soldering irons, I believe they should be the same, exactly the same. Well, actually they are not entirely the same. You can see this rubber part is different, but the rest of it they are quite the same. So I will show you now photos from inside. So I'm going to open both of them and to see why this one is much heavier than this one. And yeah, hopefully you will be able to decide for yourself which one do you prefer more. This one, like I said, has a power on-off switch in the front, has a display showing you numbers, and this one is a bit simpler to use. Also this one, let's speak about these stands. Not that they are important, but as you can see, this from 967 model, it isn't that nicely molded as this one. This one is slightly better in quality, but they are, as you can see, almost entirely the same.